So if we take the example of the sector around big technology companies, like the world of the industrial companies, right? Be it GE, General Electric, be it Siemens, be it ABB, Bosch. These big companies and big industrial companies are wanting to transform to be what we call digital industrial company. And I think their biggest challenge that they are facing is, the world of the traditional product-based hardware, large infrastructure, tech products, to a world of digital products, which is leveraging data, which is everything as a service. And in both the worlds, your go-to-market strategy and the way you think about commercial and the way you sell is very different. One, you bring a product to a customer, and it's a finite value, because the moment you sell that product, you kind of walk away and you hand it off to a customer success team, or you hand it off to your delivery team, right? But in the world of everything as a service, in the world of software and application and AI, the moment you sell that to a customer, the journey with the customer begins. And therefore, you have to constantly generate that customer lifetime value. And therefore, the world of software has fundamentally transformed the way we think about customer centricity, because your journey with the customer is now a co-creation journey between you and them. And as the customer begins to give you feedback, the entire iteration of refining and creating much better products with digital evolves and increases.